Breaking legal news for businesses coming out of the United States Supreme Court related to BOI. On Thursday, January 23rd, the Supreme Court overturned a pause on the enforcement of the beneficial ownership information reporting requirements, also known as BOI reporting requirements. But despite what the Supreme Court just ruled, the law is still not enforceable. Well, how come? A newer federal law requires an estimated over 30 million businesses, including somewhere around 230,000 farm operations, to file information on their ownership with the Federal Treasury Department. The idea behind the law is to stop money laundering and illegal activity. However, the law is under attack by affected businesses and business groups on constitutional and privacy grounds for requiring forced disclosure to the federal government. So the law was put on hold while legal challenges proceeded, and one of those holds was brought to the United States Supreme Court. On Thursday, the court vacated the stay on enforcement, allowing the law to be enforced by the federal government. But this isn't the only case challenging BOI. A second court issued a nationwide stay on different grounds, and the Supreme Court has not ruled on that case. So that means stay number 2 is on until a higher court rules otherwise. The back and forth has made the process very confusing, especially for small businesses just trying to do the right thing. The deadline has changed multiple times now. Fortunately, the form isn't hard to fill out. It took me a few minutes to do for my law firm, but for some businesses, the process may be more involved and might require an attorney. Some folks are just hearing of the requirement for the first time. And still, even with the nationwide pause in effect, you can still submit the filing and learn more at fincen.gov. Hopefully, we'll all get clarity sooner rather than later. But until then, you can stay up on the stays right here.